Introducing the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, bed liner, lane keeping assist, keyless start, heated mirrors. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.